And you can begin now.
My name is Randy Albelda, and I'm a professor of economics at UMass Boston, and I am working with Dr. Greg Abel from Dana-Farber Cancer Institute. And our project is about assessing the financial burden of certain blood cancer patients who have undergone stem cell transplants. This particular transplant is one in which patients have to be in the hospital for quite a while, have to be home for quite a while in a sterile environment, so that they are actually out of work, or many of them who have been employed, both before their transplant, but specifically after their transplant. And there's very little research on the financial problems that these kinds of patients run into. So our project is to look at those and if there's any connection to outcomes. And we're particularly interested in a couple of aspects of the patients and the level of financial burden. One, of course, is income and race and ethnicity disparities among patients, if that makes a difference. The other thing we're very interested in is whether employment benefits make a difference for how patients are able to recoup some of their financial burden when they're out of work. And those benefits are important because they often include the type of health insurance they have, as well as whether they have paid time off. So our project is one in which we have done a focus group with nurses and social workers of those patients. We've also done a few interviews with current patients, and we've developed a survey instrument which we are going to send out to about 250 patients soon. We have some partners that we're working with that do similar kinds of work, one in the Mayo Clinic in Arizona. The other is in a clinic in Buffalo, New York. So we're in the middle of our research, and it is a true collaboration, which is held together by the glue of our PI and Senior Research Associate, Diana Salas Coronado, who is an advanced doctoral student in public policy, and it's been both interesting and fun.